one corner down to the opposite corner and crease neatly along the diagonal. Now bring this corner to the other corner and pinch it here so that you know the center of the sheet. Now use this as your guide. Fold both corners down like this. So you have these two folded corners and these two flaps. Now fold these two corners down again. And fold them out. You don't have to be exact, just fold them neatly. Fold this flap up. Make sure the point is aligned with the center. Leave a bit of gap here, don't fold it all the way up. Then fold this part up neatly like this. Turn it over and fold this flap up fully. Now, carefully insert your thumbs into the open part and pull it like this. You don't need to crease this. Fold this point up turn it over and fold the other point up. This will lock the paper in place when you open out the helmet. Now put your thumbs in again, pull it out, and your helmet is ready.